This is my review of the Kook French onion soup crocks, stackable ceramic bowls with handles, oven, microwave and dishwasher safe, for cereal, soups, casseroles, with handle, stoneware, 24 ounce, set of 4, white. This is the box that it came in. I'll explain a little bit about it while I show you opening it. We really like it. They are dishwasher and microwave safe. We've used them several times now. I really like being able to have the handle be cool while the contents of the bowl are hot. They look nice. My wife, my older daughter think they're gorgeous. You can see they're protected very well. There's a lot of cardboard in the packaging here.
This one has like this little tinky sound inside of it. There's something broken in there, but it doesn't appear that anything is broken or chipped on the outside except for that tiny little flaw in the paint that won't affect anything.